Hello everyone. Looking for the Holy Grail? Now I will show you an effective way to make money on trading in 2024. This is MaxBot channel. I will now run 3 trades using a smart neural network. I will enter the first transaction on the currency pair British pound, Japanese yen. The time frame is 2 minutes. Market entry amount $200. Higher. That's the first signal from the robot. Our team is giving you the opportunity to use 3 signals from this bot with an average passability of 90% for free, after which you will be able to purchase the full version of this tool at a 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 discounted seats left. Link in the description. On the price movement chart, you can see that 2 hours ago the bulls managed to move the trend upwards, after which the bears became active and there was a trend reversal. However, in the last minutes the buyers started to saturate the market again with a large array of their volumes and it started to bring results. I think that the robot took into account all possible developments and decided to open a trade on the higher because within the 2-minute time frame this upward momentum can be decisive. Let's wait for the final result, friends. Attention! There is a large-scale comment contest on our channel. You can win a great prize of $1,000 by following a few steps. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write 1 comment on the subject of trading. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only 1 message is accepted from 1 person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose 1 winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone. And here is the result of the first trade. $156 came into my account. The signal from the robot was accurate. Now I will change the currency pair for a change and open a trade. I will work with the variant Swiss franc, Japanese yen. The signal from the robot is very easy to get. You need to press 2 keys. Lower. I'm pressing the red button. Volatility is now reduced. The news background does not influence this currency pair at the moment. This information is indicated by the artificial intelligence in the signal messages. And now I will again analyze the robot's signal based on historical data using the TradingView service. Most of the time, within the last 2 hours, sellers were inferior to buyers in terms of activity and potential. However, in the last minutes they became more active and managed to bounce from the resistance area and the price went down a bit. As a result, after an obvious uptrend with moments of corrections, the price began to show the potential for lower, which most likely played a decisive role in the final decision of the bot. This is my opinion. Let's look at the development of events and wait for the results of this trade. Working on this structure, using this trading robot you will become much richer. The bot knows everything that its developers have studied for 9 years. And all this vast experience and skill is given to you for a symbolic fee. The bot is able to triple your account amount on the first day, and the investment you make in its purchase, moreover, with a huge discount of 90%, will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. Another huge advantage of this neural network is the OTC trading option. When the stock exchanges are asleep, you can continue to make money. Even during nighttime, weekends and holidays. There are 27 OTC currency pairs available in the robot's menu, which it will provide you with when you send it the command /OTC in the chat. Trade when it suits you. And here's the result of the deal. With the help of artificial intelligence I got the second consecutive accurate signal. The sum of profit amounted to $156. Now I will work with 1 more currency pair, choosing from 27 options available to the bot. My choices are the British pound and the Australian dollar. I will double the investment amount. $400. The robot reads the situation lightning fast and gives its verdict. Signal for higher. Strong volatility, active impact of news background on the currency pair. The developers have taught the bot to use all the key ways of analysis. In its arsenal, the ability to work with 30 indicators, price action, technical and candlestick types of analysis. I will now further analyze his prediction with historical data. According to the histogram of tick volumes, I see that bulls often and in large quantities saturate the market with their volumes. The price went up for 2 hours. Once sellers managed to bring it down when there was a bounce from the resistance area and the momentum was strong. But the trend is that, in my opinion, the price will continue to go up, sometimes going flat. I think that the robot noticed these trends and after double-checking the information decided that entering the market higher is the best option in this situation. Now the buyers are really showing good results and are not going to retreat. Friends, after purchasing the bot, you will get to the VIP chat, where market analytics is conducted. There, our team analyzes various market situations and shares fresh signals. And now I am displaying screens with feedback from our community members who have already managed to evaluate the bot and increase their trading results several times. Traders optimize their trading strategy with the help of artificial intelligence and save their time, save their energy, and can afford to spend more time on training and recover their own strength. And the deal is about to come to an end. The flat is much higher than the entry point, which means that the neural network was right in its judgment. And my thoughts about this signal turned out to be correct. So, $312 has been deposited into the account. Total profit for 3 trades $624. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell. Bye.